Hello, my dear viewers and my dear students. In the series of binary number, this is binary subtraction video, and we are going to discuss here the subtraction methods of binary number system. We know that in binary number system there are only two bits, either 1 or 0, 1 and 0. So in that way, we are going to discuss about the subtractions in a simple, easiest way. In shortcut way, I'm not using here ones and twos methods. So for ones and twos method, you can see my another video. Please go with my channel and you can find some other videos. So here are some basic rules about this binary number system subtractions. So first, like as a decimal number system, we can say like 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. It's a very simple way, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So these are some basic rules and basics way to subtract, and easiest rules as a decimal based. And now from 0 minus 1 we cannot do. So in that case, would borrow, when you borrow it's become 10. So I'm going to show you here another like 10 minus 1 we can do. So 10 minus 1 is 1, because it's here we can say when we'll borrow, this 0 will borrow from anywhere like 1, so it's become 10. So 10 minus 1 is 1, because this in decimal, this 10 means 2. So like this we can say that 2 minus 1 is 1. So in this way the binary subtraction can be done. So let's go with some example here. One simple example I'm going to show you. It's a while writing these questions in, we must write in left align, sorry, right align. So means right side equal, that is right align, we have to write like this way. If there are equal digit, then we can write like this. So let's do the subtraction. So according to the first rule, 0 minus 0 is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. In this way we can subtract. So one more example. So here is 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. Okay, so let's, here we can go with this line. So please leave two straight line before doing the subtraction, before writing the questions, these questions down here while solving. Please leave two lines so that we can write the borrowed numbers, and like this. So here is 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. So from 0 1 we cannot subtract, 0 minus 1 cannot be done. So from 0 we cannot subtract 1, so that it's 0 will borrow from this 1, and this 1 became 0, and it makes this 1 makes this 0 as a 2, because we know that this 1 0 10. So this 0, when you'll get 1, it's became 10, 10 means 2. So we can write directly as a 2, so that we can subtract 2 minus 1 is 1, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So in this way you can subtract if you have concept. So you can pause that video, and one more example I'm going to give you here. But don't forget that binary number 1 0 is 2 in decimal number. So in this way we can subtract. So leave here at least 2 line above and write the question like 1 1 0 0 0. And here is you can like, we have to write in right alignment. So right side equal, so you must write from the right so that it will be equal. So here is 1, and this 1 0 1 and minus. So now here again from this 1 you cannot subtract from the 0. So this 0 will borrow from the left digit, but left digit it's itself 0, so it cannot give any borrow. So it's borrow from the left side, it's left digits. So again here is 0, so this 1 will make it became 0. If this 1 became 0, and this it makes this 0 as a 2, and these 2 became itself 1, and it makes the right side 0 as a 2. So these 2 again it became 1, and borrow to the next number, and it makes it 0 as a 2. So now you can subtract this 2 minus 1 as 1, and now here is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So here is again 1, 1 minus 0 is 1. So again here is 0 minus 1 we cannot do, so this 0 will borrow from the left side digit, that is 1. So this 1 became here 0, and it makes this 0 as a 2. So now 2 minus 1 you can do. So in this way we can subtract. So I hope I made it clear, and if you are thinking this video is really wonderful and it's useful for other, then please don't forget to do the like and share. So if I need your valued comment as well as thank you.